Well, where are we at today?
Hershey's Chocolate World.
Yay.
Canned chocolate.
We're gonna see how they make chocolate.
Bars.
Yeah. It's nice and cool this morning, a little cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't rain today.
Yeah. Doing some touristy stuff today.
Yeah, so we're gonna go in and check out Hershey's Chocolate World. And then we're gonna head back over to the RV show. But at least we get to see chocolate.
I thought it was chocolate. I'm like, wait a minute, that's not chocolate. Sorry.
So all ladies kind of a party play part.
So he said go through here to the free chocolate ride.
Needs this. This is for Ian.
Yeah, he has a Reese's addiction.
Oh, look at
Our son-in-law. Yeah.
Look at the lines.
Yeah, that's to check out. Here's the tour. Hello. Just going in? Okay, thank you. You excited?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Wow, look out there.
Yeah. Well, the line's not too horrible. Hershey Kisses. The Hershey Kiss cars. The floor's moving.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
This is cool, huh?
This is cool, but we have to bring the grandkids
Yes, you have to bring the grandkids.
or children.
Right here with your fresh milk. Sing it, girls!
Mocha caramel, straw bella, blossom cocoa, and hazel.
Oh, cupcake.
Hi, my name is Alex. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it?
Warm.
Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed.
Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell.
You guys can smell this? It smells like chocolate in here. It smells good.
Until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Thanks, Alex. So sweet.
Here's the kisses. Oh, that's cool.
Small bitch on camera.
Get a picture of me holding the camera. What'd you think of that?
That was so much fun, and it's free.
Yeah, it's absolutely free. Free to get into the store, free to take the ride. And that was fun. Actually, I was
It
surprised.
was very educational.
Yeah, it was.
It's so fun.
We're going to go down and check out the store.
Try not to buy it out.
Let's go. And they give you a free candy bar when you get off the ride. You everything you want here. Well, Tina found the baby section. Baby girl coming in December.
I don't see a baby's first Christmas though.
It's okay. Over here.
The babies.
Check out this pretzel. Got 3 different sauces. We're gonna have to try them all. Ooh, that's chopped chocolate. Some kind of mustard. Ooh, and cheese. So we gotta try the different sauces.
What's this one?
That's some kind of mustard, chocolate, and cheese. I'm gonna try the mustard first. Try the mustard first. Oh,
Mustard.
honey mustard. Oh, that's good.
Chocolate. That's like heaven.
Never thought about putting chocolate on a pretzel.
Well, I make them at Christmas.
Oh, that's true.
I used to.
Yeah.
We all know cheese is good on a pretzel.
Very good. If you come to Hershey, get the pretzel. You won't regret it.
Yeah. I'm speechless.
It was like, I think it was $8 or something, but yeah, yummy.
That's tangy. That's good.
All three are yummy. Well, the chocolate and the cheese won. Was that good?
That chocolate was good. I don't know if it's because it's fresh, but it's the best chocolate I think I've ever
Yeah, I've never tasted chocolate sauce like that before. It was amazing.
Yeah. Hands down, chocolate was the best. And we got things to buy.
And we got gifts for the kids. Oh, we can't show that on video.
That's okay. They're 2 and under.
That's true.
You can fill a bag, look. Or a bucket.
Oh yeah. That's kind of cute.
Bucket for 16. Oh, that one's 16. Get this for
$22.95.
or a can. I mean a bag.
Got a few souvenirs. Christmas presents.
They're all Christmas presents.
We had so much fun at Hershey's Chocolate World. It was surprisingly fun and very educational. You've probably heard the phrase, like a kid in a candy store. Well, that was us, just 2 kids in a candy store. If you're ever near Hershey, Pennsylvania, or need a great place to vacation with the family, go check out Hershey's Chocolate World. And if you're into amusement parks, Hershey Park is just next door. We really wanted to ride the roller coasters, but simply ran out of time. But we had to leave something for our next visit to Hershey. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you've ever been to Hershey, share your trip in the comments below and let us know what your favorite Hershey's candy is. Thanks for following along, and until next time, safe travels. Bye.